Okay, this is 4.1, graphing linear equations. Activity 1, graphing a linear equation. Work with a partner. Use the equation y equals 1/2 x plus 1 to complete the table. Choose any two x values and find the y values. So I'm actually going to increase this to choose any three values, and I'm going to extend my table. And that's because I always like to choose 0 for x, because that will tell me what my origin is. So if x is 0, 1/2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, so then y would equal 1 in that case. Okay? Now I'm going to pick two more numbers for x. I know I'm going to have to take half of the number, so I'm going to pick two even numbers. So I'm going to pick 2 and 4. Okay? So then I'm going to plug in here into the equation. So I'm going to plug 2 into this equation. So 1/2 times 2 plus 1. And that's what y is going to equal. So 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So then y would equal 2 in this situation. Okay? Erase that real quick. Now I need to know what would y equal if x was 4. So y would be equal to 1/2. Oops, sorry about that. 1/2 times 4 plus 1. Okay? 1/2 of 4 is 2, or 1/2 times 4 is 2. So 2 plus 1, y equals 2 plus 1, or y equals 3. Okay, so now I have 3 points for part C where it says to graph the line. Okay, so I'm going to have 2 instead of 3. Part B says write the two ordered pairs given by the table. These are called solution points. So my first solution point is 0, 1. And you're going to put those in parentheses like that. My next solution point is 2, 2. Okay, and my third solution point is x is 4, y is 3. Okay, we always write this in the form x, y. And we usually separate it by a comma. Okay? I'm going to erase that. So if you need any of this, you might want to pause the video. I need to erase and move on to plotting the points. Okay? Part C says plot the two solution points. Draw a line exactly through the 2 points. So we are going to plot those points that we just mentioned. That was 0, 1. So 0, 1. And 2, 2. So you go over 2, up 2. I'm just going to go right there. And the last point was 4 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we have 3 points, and we're starting to develop a line. Now I'm going to extend that line because I notice it's going up 1 and over 2. So I'm noticing a pattern. So I'm going to go up 1 and over 2 again and put another point there. And then I'm going to also kind of work backwards and go back 1 and down 1. Or sorry, back 2 and down 1. And I'm starting to create this line. And then I can draw a line exactly through the 2 points. I'm going to draw it exactly through all of my points. So you need to make sure that you are being precise when you're drawing that line. Okay? Part D says find a different point on the line. Well, I already made several different points, so we'll find a different one and check to see if that point is a solution. So I'm going to pick, let's try this point right here that I just made. That point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4. So we're going to see if 6, 4 is a solution to this equation. So y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1. So 4 should be equal to 1/2 x. So 1/2 times 6 plus 1. And 1/2 of 6 is 3. 3 plus 1 does indeed equal 4. So 4 equals 4. So 6, 4 is indeed a solution to the equation. And you can pick any one of these red dots that we made, and if you plug it into the equation, it will be a solution for that line.